My sister, my secret keeper. My sister is more than just a part of my family. She is my heart's quiet home, my trusted friend, and my lifelong secret keeper. From the earliest days of my life, she has been beside me like a gentle shadow, always near, always listening. There is something magical about having a sister, someone who knows your story from the very beginning, who has seen your best and worst, and still chooses to love you unconditionally. We may not always say it out loud, but the bond we share is deep and unbreakable. She is the one person I can run to when the world feels too heavy, the one who understands even when I can't find the right words. I can tell her anything, my worries, my dreams, my silly thoughts, my heartbreaks, and she listens without judgment, just love. She has held my secrets like treasures, never once betraying my trust. And that is why I call her my secret keeper. Not because she hides my words, but because she protects them, just like she protects me. As children, we shared everything. Our toys, our clothes, our stories, and sometimes even our dreams. I remember our late-night talks, lying in bed whispering about the things that scared us or made us happy. We had our own language made of laughter and glances, and even now we can talk without speaking. A single look from her can calm my fears, make me smile, or remind me of a memory we both cherish. Growing up with her made life feel less lonely, less confusing. She was like a second mother, a built-in best friend, and sometimes even my partner in crime. We fought sometimes, of course, over the smallest things, who got the last cookie or the better seat on the sofa. But no matter how loud the argument, we never stayed mad for long. She always forgave first, always came to me with a smile and a peace offering. That's just who she is. Soft-hearted, loving, and kind beyond words. What makes my sister truly special is the way she sees the good in me, even when I can't. When I doubt myself, she reminds me of everything I've achieved. When I make mistakes, she never judges. She helps me learn and move on. She has seen me fall apart, and yet she has never turned away. She's wiped my tears in silence and made me laugh in moments I thought I never could. She is patient when I overthink, strong when I am weak, and brave enough to tell me the truth, even when it's hard to hear. She's the only person who knows every version of me, the quiet one, the messy one, the scared one, and still chooses to love me every single day. That kind of love is rare, and I am lucky to have it. My sister also keeps my memories safe. There are stories only she remembers, moments that we lived together and no one else can understand, like the time we got lost on the way home from school and pretended it was a grand adventure, or the night we stayed up late talking about our dreams under the stars. These memories are like little jewels we carry in our hearts, and every now and then we bring them out and laugh all over again. She keeps those pieces of our past alive, and in doing so, she keeps me grounded in who I am. As we've grown older, life has taken us in different directions. We have our own routines now, our own responsibilities. We don't see each other as often as we used to, and sometimes days go by without a call. But somehow, nothing ever changes between us. Even if we haven't spoken for a while, the moment we do, it feels like coming home. There is no awkwardness, no distance, just the same love that has always been there. That's the power of a sister's bond. Time and distance may test it, but they can never break it. She is also the person I go to with all my secrets, the good, the bad, and the ones I don't even understand myself. I know that with her, my words are safe. She never interrupts, never tries to change what I feel. She just listens. And sometimes that's all I need. Someone who listens with her heart, who doesn't try to fix everything but just stays beside me so I don't have to face it alone. She keeps my secrets, not because I ask her to, but because she knows they matter to me. And that kind of understanding is rare and beautiful. When I look at her, I see strength, grace, and quiet courage. She may not always realize it, but she is one of the bravest people I know. She handles life's challenges with a smile, keeps going even when she's tired, and somehow finds time to care for everyone around her. She gives without asking, loves without conditions, and shines even when she feels like hiding. I admire her deeply, not just as my sister, but as a person. And I hope she knows that. Sometimes I wonder if I've told her enough how much she means to me. Maybe I haven't. Maybe I assumed she already knew. But I want to say it now. You are not just my sister. You are my safe place, my greatest supporter, my secret keeper, and my forever friend. Thank you for all the times you stayed up with me when I was hurting. Thank you for keeping my secrets like sacred stories. Thank you for being my mirror when I couldn't see my own worth. You have given me so much love, and I carry it with me every day. No matter where life takes us, or how much changes, I know one thing will remain the same. You and I, side by side, in heart and in memory, because sisters like you are not just family, they are gifts from life, and I will forever be thankful for you, my sister, my best friend, my secret keeper,